To create a deep link to a content area, start off by switching your edit mode on, hover over Tools, go to Pearson, MyLab and Mastering. Then we will check the areas that we want to create deep links to. In this case, I'm going to do the multimedia library, the e-text, and all of the assignments area. Once I'm done, I'll hit submit. And if I scroll down, you will see that the links to these areas have been created. So if I click on my assignment link, it's going to take me to my assignment area in my MyLab and Mastering course. If I click the multimedia link, it'll take me to the multimedia library. And that is how you create deep links to content areas in your MyLab and Mastering course.